Oh, fuck me.
Alright guys, we're here with Theo today. So Theo, just tell us a little bit about yourself in terms of what you do day to day and some of your health practices that you get into.
Okay, so myself, I'm still a sales and business development manager for a company, but I'm a men's coach and I'm also a trauma release therapist and a tantra teacher.
Yeah.
Soon, I'm finishing my course soon, so yeah. And I'm someone that basically coach people how to get into their body, and it's all about embodiment.
Yeah. So you're about trauma release, I'm about trauma induction.
Exactly.
So that's why we work so well together.
100%.
We're a great business together. We're a great business together.
Yep.
So how long have you been doing this sort of coaching with men, and why did you pick to sort of go and do men's coaching more so?
So it's basically for the last 3 years that I actually started coaching people.
Yeah.
And obviously I evolved constantly, but for me it all started from my own need to figure out how to be a man.
Yeah.
So yeah, that led me even on my hero's journey here in Australia for the past 9 years.
Yeah.
So yeah, it all started within myself, and then through initiating myself in so many different practices and coaching and all the stuff. So yeah, I dedicated myself on working with men.
Awesome. And in terms of what practices have you been, what are some of your key sort of practices that you do? From daily or even occasional retreat work or deeper work?
So because I have a good understanding of the human body, because I was a physiotherapist in the past and massage therapist also, so the body is obviously I understand it very well.
Yeah.
But then I've done a lot of energy work and breath work and a lot of tantric practices and sexuality practices. So it's a lot of body and energy work.
Yeah.
And I incorporate a lot of different tools in regards to how I work with people.
Cool. And in terms of with your body, what sort of issues are you getting or limitations at the moment?
So for myself, because I had a terrible accident when I was 16, when we crashed with 140 kilometers on a wall, and I wasn't wearing any seatbelt or airbag, and I basically almost completely, I was gone, and I broke my femur in half. So even my ankle and then my whole face was completely smashed and all the stuff. So a lot of my problems started from the left side and that injury and the trauma that my whole nervous system absorbed from that.
Yeah.
And then 2 years afterwards, I had this big fight where I got surrounded by 20 people. I got stabbed, and it was another very traumatic experience. So for me, my body holds a lot of trauma, and it all manifests mostly in the left side.
Yeah.
So from that, problems with my hips, with my lower back, with my shoulder, and because I've pushed myself a lot physically, I was a professional water polo player, then I pursued a lot of other sports and all the stuff, so I've pushed myself a lot, so it's always...
And predominantly more left.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So what we'll do now, I know you've had Chiro in the past, so we'll basically do some tests, integrate some adjustments, we'll go from there. Alright? Awesome. So what we'll do, we'll start off, I'll get you back against the wall here. I'll check how your breathing is.
Check out.
Back against the wall.
Check out how good we can use compared to
Okay. Alright, I'll get you breathing in. And out. And breathe in. And out. Alright, now breathing in. And breathing in. And out. Yeah, so basically your left clavicular sternal attachment there, so it isn't separating properly when you're breathing. The right one's pretty good, it's just your left one's just a little bit stuck there.
Okay.
So what I'll do, I'll get you breathing in.
Karate chop.
Karate chop. Breathe in and hold. And out.
I think my soul left my
Come back.
Holy shit.
Breathe in. Yeah, it's better. It's good.
It definitely feels better already.
Yeah, it's actually, because my fingers should be able to separate properly. If one finger's just stuck, it just means it's not, the joint isn't working.
Yeah. Awesome. I literally can feel it straight away.
And breathe in. That's right. And breathe in. And out. That's okay. All right. What we'll do, I'll get you sitting here and facing the wall that way.
Sitting
Sitting here? Yeah, that way. Yeah.
stuck.
And to the left.
Yeah.
To the right, that way. You getting any pain on the other side? That left.
So
foot
when I
seemed to be
turn
limited?
left,
Yeah.
I actually felt it on the left side. Yep.
Yeah. And that one. Yeah. Okay. That's what I'll do. And there as well. Okay. All right. So first one I'll do.
Yep.
We'll get you on your back and we'll go face up. Knees down there.
Show your back what's up
I thought this was
you
gonna
need-
save me, but
You need all, no, to take it back. you need everything to get through this. All right, and on your back. Okay. That's it. Head up, and down. And chin up, all the way.
okay.
And chin up, all the way. All right. Okay. And chin up. This one. Yep. All right. So this is basically just gonna put straight your spinal column. So just let that and let the legs go nice and loose.
Oh, fuck me.
Get it back. So we need the
Theo, come back, bro. Come back. Oh man.
How does that feel?
It's really interesting. I actually feel it probably on my last the T7.
Yeah.
C7,
C7, yeah.
C7, yeah.
In terms of where you felt the biggest release then?
Afterwards, yeah.
After.
It was a lot of the occipital, but yeah, a lot of the T7.
Lower
now.
cervical as well.
I actually feel it firing down. Yeah, very interesting. I haven't had that before.
And that left ear all the way. That one there still needs to get sent.
Is it normal to feel that high now?
Do you feel high?
Yeah.
You didn't have any heart pain
Close
before you
to
came. Where's the heart pain?
I think we should sit some half afterwards. Feeling growth, feeling growth. And maybe a hug and a cry.
We'll do everything.
It's such an interesting feeling. Like I feel so relaxed, but at the same time so high. Yeah,
Yeah, because when you know how with the nervous system, you've got the sympathetic and parasympathetic. So often, as you know, like we're operating on sympathetic fight or flight. So when you have these blockages, they create enhance the sympathetic. So when you get adjusted, just like when you get massages done, it starts activating the parasympathetic. So often, not everyone, but some people, they get this
really,
just wave of like release.
Because I noticed for myself, I was really hyperactive like recently. So
Yeah, and you've had a lot on as well. So
Yeah.
right, man. I'll get you sitting up and coming up and just dropping down a little bit. Yeah. Cool. All right. So this one, putting your hands on your head like this, interlocking.
Yep.
On the top. Yep. On top, and elbows forward, and coming back. Yeah, and open your arms up and breathe in and out. Let that one go. There we go. And sitting up again. Okay. We'll get you on your tummy. Okay. Here it comes.
My favorite.
Same thing. One of like through your rhomboids
Oh,
and your
man.
levator scap. It's just so much load.
They feel so tight. Yeah, the right side is even worse.
Yeah. I'll get that. Doing an overhead press with your right side. Overhead press with that. Yeah, that's it. And coming down. And up. and up, and down, and up, and down. This is just like a terrace release. So, and up. Okay. And that right leg straight and raising up, and down, and left one up, and down. This one here, and that right leg up and down.
Oh, fuck.
Down, yeah.
Oh.
And up.
Oh.
Down. And up. And down. And up. And down.
Oh.
Alright, man. I'll get you on your side, and actually we'll face this way.
Facing you? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm struggling to come back.
There's no retrieval.
Whew. Holy fuck. Oh man.
Just let that go. Let that go. Shoulder, release, 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 release.
Oh.
There we go. Other side, mate.
Oh.
It's how you submit a man.
This is one of my submissions.
Whew. Can I tap out or something?
No,
Never tapping
There's
out?
never tapping out. I'm the only one that taps. Just let the shoulder go. Let it go, let it go. There we go. Cool. And I'll get you on your back again, so face up. So you're getting some issues around your jaw.
Yeah.
So tell me about that.
So I'm actually feeling my masseter muscles like very tight.
Yeah.
And really, I catch myself during sleep. I literally grind my teeth and I wake up and I'm really, squeezing.
Just clenching all the time.
Yeah.
Is that something that's been a bit ongoing with yourself? Or particularly more of late?
I noticed it more like the past 2 months.
Okay.
So yeah, it's really.
An opening mouth? Yeah, it's pretty clunky in there. And down. Yeah, and open. Yeah, and down. And open. Yeah, and down. Could just do like a masseter release there.
Oh,
this
bro.
fucking sucks. This is one of the worst areas you can get released.
There's definitely some demons there. Oh man. Oh.
You don't need plant medicine when you got this, mate. Maybe you don't. Okay. It's sort of, this whole masseter is just so jammed up. Okay. They're just coming in.
Oh fuck. Oh.
Right, we'll start off looking to the right. Try and keep your head neutral there. And open. Open your mouth. And close. And open. And hold there. Just going.
Bro.
You alright?
Yeah.
Kicks your ass, that one.
I'm literally ready to have a full release.
We're going to see it live. And look
Well, I don't have a problem showing that. That's for sure.
and open. And hold it there. Just let that one. Okay. And open. And close. And open. Open. Look at less clicking. Yeah, cool, close. Okay. All right. So what we'll do, I'll get you sitting up and facing this whenever you're ready.
Facing it
Facing this way. Yep. And to the left. That's okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Way better. I didn't feel anything.
Good. Good. And that right arm like this.
The right one.
Push. Much better. Push. So that's it. And breathing in. And out. How's that feel?
Way better.
Awesome. I feel like we're that far
Bro.
from.
I was literally ready to have a
I
full.
was going to take my fingers and just do this. I
Bro.
was snacking through you, bro.
I've seen you do it, release. You're close.
I know, and actually I've never been there like during a treatment like that. So
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
Mate,
He gave me some of my medicine.
No makes you delivering. Yeah.
Oh,
So.
it's so much better.
Yeah. So like it.
It's really sorry to interrupt. Like it's really interesting. Like that, I really calmed me down because I was for so long like really hyperactive and really like intense.
Yeah.
And experiencing a lot of anger coming up. So like I really feel almost
Relaxed.
gone. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's a very it's another good tool, not in isolation, but obviously that can help
Yeah.
to calm and get the nervous system working better, calm it down.
Yeah.
But obviously that needs to get integrated with
Yeah.
all these other practices as well.
It's very interesting also like because someone like me that works with people in a certain way, actually having a treatment like that, you can actually really see how the nervous system
And you can see it changing from the start.
I went completely to parasympathetic, so
Yeah.
thank you so
Awesome.
much.
All right, my brother. Did very well. Beautiful.
Thank you.
All right.